Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our videos on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my InShot application. And for example, guys, I'm going to remove this object from my video, this cup of coffee, I guess. First of all, we need to overlay this video with the same video. We can go to BIP option, and this is the same video. I'm going to add it to my project. Then we can click on this button to fit the screen. And after that, we're going to put mask to this video to cover the unwanted object. We just need to go to the mask option and choose the type of the mask. For example, I'm going to go with this mask, with the circle mask, and then we can adjust the size of the mask. And you have to take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. Once you're done taking the part, you just need to click on the check mark. Then you can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can zoom in or zoom out and feel free to rotate it if you need. Okay. And now it's done, and now the object has been covered with the mask. And to make it more natural, you can actually go to folder, then you can select adjust, and then you can adjust the lightness or the contrast. I'm going to reduce the lightness and reduce the contrast as well. Then we can click on the check mark, click on the check mark again, and this is the final result. And I guess that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.